Your sterile manufacturing destination? Our world. A world of robotic sterile fill finish with flexibility, accuracy, and speed. Quality ensured. Sterility assured. Here, your drug product is truly protected. A gloveless isolator platform where there is no human intervention, less risk. Single-use parts, pre-sterilized flow paths, and ready-to-use containers. A place where we use press-fit vial closures and integrated stoppers. No particle risk, crimp capping, or stopper balls. Where robotic accuracy mitigates filling or closure failures. Utilizing dynamic peristaltic pumps, shear stress and aggregation eliminated. Maximum filling accuracy, minimal loss. This is our world of robotic sterile fill finish. Your destination awaits. Let's talk future.